So hello, welcome everybody to Pandeji, and today I'm going to show you how you can use Onetap.crack right now, because there is no crack update until now. I don't know why, but they are not updating, but there is a way. Yeah, it's a paid way, but it's will cost only $1.64, but I am showing you because most of you can't bear that we can't use Onetap.crack. So for them I'm showing this. I'm not getting anything from this hack, like they are not giving me anything or anything else, so don't be like this. So this hack name is NIXWARE. You can search on Google NIXWARE.CC, you will get it. They have also stolen the tag which is get NIXWARE. You can see I have premium membership right now. Here you can go and buy. You will find there also, see, you can buy from here. Just go and it will just select this and just go forward, and you can pay the amount from your card or anything. There are too many ways to pay. You can also pay with the Csgo skin if you are not banned in Csgo obviously. So you can sell it. You can sell the skins in this. There's a way you can use the skins to pay the price. And so one other thing, NIXWARE is a hack, and they are selling this Onetap.crack with their own hack. So it's you are buying NIXWARE, but they are giving away Onetap.crack for free. Okay, so they are just focusing on Onetap.crack right now, and they have literally made every problem solved. Like they have solved every problem in Onetap.crack, like autoscope problem and FPS drop problem. Most of the things they have literally fixed everything. Okay, just you have to go to NIXWARE.cc. Just go to, and just after downloading, just go to NIXWARE.cc, and you have to just go go to wherever. The thing is, I am not getting because I have made record this audio after this video. There you can download, and then you can see I have extracted here. I will just start it, and then just log in. My ID is dubmaster, and password is I can't give you because it based on hardware ID. You can't give it to anybody, because if you are using it and you will give it to other person without hardware ID resetting, then that's it, you will be get banned from NIXWARE also. Now see, it's loading. It will automatically start Steam and everything automatically. You can see the game have launched. You will see in a bit. Yeah, there you can see Onetap. You can see that you have everything. So that's it. Now I have some clips that I have, like I don't make clips mainly, but I thought why not, so I made some clips. Like I was just casually going into the server and just played, and then just cut the kills which I have, like which were like not in the safest area, because the front one was in the perfect area and I wasn't. That in that way I have posted some of the, like I have made some. So watch it, and if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. It means a lot, please. And that's it. We will meet you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.
और बनता है क्या बोलते तुम नाश्ता पानी